Today I'm going to talk about a great product. It's the backpack raincoat. The backpack raincoat is perfect for you. This product is small, comfortable, and useful. I'm sure that if you buy this amazing product, it will improve your life. Forget about your books, notebooks, computer, cell phone, makeup, and other things. The rain season will no longer be a problem because if you acquire the backpack raincoat, going to protect absolutely everything that you carry in your backpack when the rain comes by surprise. Also, it's perfect when you go to the place where your belongings are likely to get wet. And don't worry if your backpack is small or big, this product exists in all sizes and colors.